Hey group, welcome back to week 3 of distance learning, April 13th through 17th. We'll cover this week. Hope everything went well for week 2. After grading your assignments from week 1, we just have a couple things that we want to remind you guys of. First off, make sure you read all the directions since we're not there to be over your shoulder and tell you everything. Make sure that you take the time to read everything on your screen in every assignment so that you can do your assignments right and you get 100% grades on your assignments because you follow directions and you're super awesome. Second point, we are turning everything into Google Forms. So there's a big section right here that hopefully you've read because I just talked about reading everything on the sheet, but it says make sure you turn things into the turn assignments here part of this document. Do not share them with Miss Cyber or Miss Power because I am the one grading them, so I won't have access to them unless you put them into the Google Forms, just like the rest of your class. So down here in the turn assignments here portion, it also says do not share them. Make sure you use the forms below to turn them in. If you need help attaching your assignments to the forms, this video right here outlines how to do that for you, and we'll be good to go. So yeah, that's great. Next point is going to be about working ahead. If you want to work ahead, you're more than welcome to. This specific assignment that we have for this week will cover actually 6 days and go into next week a little bit. So if you want to work ahead, I'm all for that. You can go ahead and take a couple days off from our class and put some attention into your other classes. That's totally fine with us. The last thing I want to make known is for this specific class, your at-home animals assignments have been really, really good. I'm actually seeing a lot of great work from you guys. I'm learning a lot about your pets. My 2 favorites from last week, or week 1 I guess, were whoever had Lurky the turkey. That one made me laugh pretty hard. And then somebody had a German Shepherd where in the picture the tongue was hanging out like and it was super cute too. So keep sharing those with us. You guys are doing awesome. The thing we want to tell you guys about is this medical or behavioral issues to explore solutions for. That is not a yes or no. That is something that you need to find. Even if it's something small, maybe they jump on you when you walk in the door or something like that. You need to find something that owner is like, that irritates me a little bit, or I wish they wouldn't do that. Even if it's not a big deal, because that'll help us with that behavioral unit that we're going to go into next, because we're going to use these assignments to create our topics for that unit. So if we don't have anything listed in this box or we put none, that doesn't do anybody any good. Otherwise, these assignments have been super awesome. Like I said, keep up the great work. This is another thing, if you want to work ahead on and get a few surveys done, you are more than welcome to. Just make sure you turn the right one in at the right week. We don't plan on changing this at this point, so it's been the same template. The Dropbox is different every week, so that we can track like which one's week 3 or which one's week 4. So just keep that in mind. All right, let's buckle down. No, there was one more thing. Shoot, what was it? Oh, the Start Here videos. Make sure you're watching those for important details, because some people are not watching them, and then we get some really stupid emails, honestly. And if you send me a stupid email, I'm going to reply with a stupid response that says, did you watch the Start Here video, or did you watch the assignment instructions video before you emailed us? We are fielding about 100 emails a day right now, so if you can not email a stupid question, like of course if you have questions, send them our way, but stupid questions are kind of just a waste of our time, so please don't do that. All right, looking at this week here, our learning target is going to be to research responding procedures for pet first aid and CPR. Our ongoing project is going to be the SAE project. That's always going to be there. If you have questions, of course, contact Miss Cyber or myself. Turn everything into the turn in assignments here portion of the document, which is on the next page, and everything's going to be due Friday at midnight of this week. Don't share the forms. Make sure you turn them in, etc. All right. Monday, we have no school because, again, Easter break still. So there's not going to be a lesson. Tuesday, you're watching the Start Here video, so you're already crushing it. Brownie points for you. We're also asking you to do your at-home animals assignment on Tuesday because this next assignment is going to go crazy long. So we hope that you'll have the rest of the week to do it and part of next week. So your instructions are in this document right here. I also kind of went through like how to start this assignment in this video right here. But essentially you're making a pocket book for pet first aid and CPR. So the topics that we're asking you to cover are outlined in this document. You have one per day. So you can see this week covers CPR, external bleeding, and fractures. The other 3 days are actually on that document too. So if you want to jump into next week and get really, really ahead on this assignment, you are more than welcome to. You'll notice in the Dropbox portion that there's only a turn in here for the at-home animals because that's the only assignment you are expected to complete this week. While you're expected to work on the others, they will not be due until I believe it's next Wednesday. So, yeah, that should be everything, hopefully. If you do have questions, let us know. But keep up the great work. You guys are doing awesome.